So show you a quick look at my engine. I'll put it all nice back together. Alright, so take a look at the bottom. You see? I'm gonna show you guys the cat bag. So you see on the R18 06 010 Honda Civic, there's gonna be 3 bolts there that you get to remove there. But there are 12 millimeters. There's one there. There's 3 there. Then there's 2 there. I'm gonna show you how nice it looks. Brand spanking new. So there's gonna be 2 more right there. So that is the whole catback exhaust for R18 Honda Civic. It's really simple to put on there. There's gonna be about like 3 hinges. You're gonna have to put it on, or take it off as well too. But put it on. And just really happy how it came out. I mean, definitely gives it a different look. Can go ahead and start it up. See what she sounds like. Now I did the oil change and valve cover gaskets and all kinds of stuff to this car, so I mean not bad. Yeah.
You hearing that side?
Yeah, definitely sounds good. Like it. It's kind of loose, so I gotta tighten it up. So yeah, there's my R18. I'm definitely happy with everything. I mean, it took me a lot of work, but I mean, everything's possible, guys. Just passion. Mallory's gonna get the car with me. Just watch the car. I mean, just, you know, I'm gonna take a passion in what you do and get it done. The rest is in this place. It's good. But dirty. You know what I mean? That's my baby. I'm gonna do one in the daytime. Just got done now, so this is my first time me starting it up with the silencer on. So I'll probably do one with the silencer off tomorrow, so that way you can see the both. This is a DNA motoring catback exhaust as well, so that way you guys know. It's a 2.5. With the inlet with a 4-inch outlet, so I'm sure it's gonna sound much better. I mean, you can't even hear it. I mean, I don't like anything sounding too ridiculously loud, especially for being this size. I mean, it's freaking badass. I mean, it's so quiet. Let me get a few cranks. Let's see. course, it's not gonna sound the same on a phone than when you can hear it in real life. But I mean, it sounds much better with the silencer on. It's nice. Can't wait to drive it.